Hi, today I'll be doing my review of the Wpro dishwasher care kit. It's got dishwasher all-in-one tablets, degreaser for the dishwasher and an anti-lime scale magnet. Now here are the dishwashing tabs. You get 24, they're a lemon fragrance, descaler and degreaser. They're quite small compact tablets with 3 actions. Now each action I'll explain. The blue is the rinse aid and the salt. The white part is the gloss protection and the yellow part is the stainless steel brilliance. Now I have used these dishwasher tablets and they have been brilliant. They've left our plates, pots, pans, cutlery excellent and clean and sparkling. Definitely recommended. Now this is the degreaser for the dishwasher. It's a 250 grams tub, it's powder. Basically you pour it into the bottom of your dishwasher, the whole contents, and you select a long programme, and you let it wash, and basically it optimises the performance and prolongs the life of your appliance. It also eliminates grease deposits, food residues and prevents any unpleasant odours, and it leaves your appliance in perfect condition. Now I haven't used this yet, but I did buy another tub recently and it left my dishwasher like new and it smelled really fresh. Lastly, we have the anti-lime scale magnet. Now this is a little magnet, and as you can see it's fitted into the water inlet hose from the picture. Now you don't necessarily have a tap like this, but this is just an example to show you how it's fitted. And basically the powerful magnets help it to reduce the build-up of lime scale, and it also contributes to protect the heating element. It's easy to install and it comes with a 10-year magnet's life. I would recommend this kit and I think it's great value for money, and I definitely will be buying another one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.